Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to charge the battery on a Roku video doorbell. So starting off, the Roku video doorbell, it comes with this little screwdriver. It has a star bit on the end of it, and we can use that to loosen up the screw that's on the bottom of our video doorbell. Once the security screw is loosened, at this point, we can pop the doorbell off of its back plating. And at this point, the video doorbell should pop right off unless you also have wires connected on the back. If that's the case, you can loosen up those connections with a Phillips head screwdriver. And once those are loosened off, you can unhook those wires from the back and you should be good to go at that point in time. So our Roku video doorbell comes with the USB cord that you're going to use to charge the battery. One end is micro USB, the other end is type A. So we're going to plug in the micro USB to the back of our Roku doorbell, and then the type A, you can either plug it into a computer's USB type A port, or you can plug it in to one of these USB type A wall adapters to charge it up. So one end going into our wall adapter, the other end, the micro USB side, is going to go into the back of our doorbell. And at this point, we can plug it in and it should start charging up. We can see the percentage of battery charged through the Roku Home app, so I'll take you over to my phone to show you where that's located. So to see the percentage that we're charged to, we can launch the Roku Smart Home app and then select our video doorbell. And from here, we can see that we're currently charging and that we're 85% charged on the battery. So once this gets up to 100%, then I'm going to unplug it and I can reinstall it back in its place by the door at that point in time. So I hope this video was helpful going over how you can charge the battery of a Roku video doorbell. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.